Biakamal. Ray wich ka juba take gog Michelle no jen tu ga juen chal ke HIV and AIDS rajame lat ke je ke shanka joka pyro ron kitna dangro jan dangro joka lapan beje nyaka ye kel ko gor jen obi je linga do brana chano ga je ye gor no jin be nyaka nasa ko ken ko bo kore rajame ku subscribe ke ku notification bell ko je twany mi jirama jedit ka ku comment ka ku je share raja ban lat gwasa me shirka men shalinga tan da nawan ray rol sa sudan ko le la regen dit ni jen ka juba shala do take a self proclaimed prophet gok ke ramkel kan eten la racha ka tok mishaling mishol kan no tok mo e tok mi roina ran ka je kan konyal wajen she tok mi jaka pon nan content ke HIV and AIDS jaka ko bika go charo mo chaja kwen bana kula wutin na mandana twoktin gwada me miche ko twogo no rama me jaka point nat ka go ka do brana shaling gaja woje HIV and AIDS cha suggestion kul ngono no ka kwaje no ne ten konti la jejwan ne ten konti la jejwas ni ten bej poinken ko tene de ngwan onto te ka jwas ji malaria ne ji typhoid ne ji HIV to ne dialo tegatin si tur menen yana me gwasa me ram me lar jeno jeni te HIV de cha je woch rami mo te ka jwe rami mo me laguk gwada me chana kul writing kamana le roda gor je chan binyo di alon ko YouTube la te ka ngwane ne me lat ka je ka so Sudan chi wi ko ken re wi ka so Sudan gwada me men cha gora ken no jin mutuge HIV and AIDS jin ke gok aja kwanong ne to kon la jwas ni ko be jwas ken boka chu realeka mi e tok ko titi ken na tok re wi ke so Sudan la go gwe shiga mat tin tin jakanas ko lat ken o jakan finance ka go man ko le beje lung jara me te ko me chalele Stone International Church beje kwen ya ka do brana chalat ke je be kwen ke English be ajeling ko de rande je ngadi manan le rode mu le rode mu okay Bishop Gorgwazeme and Prophet Shale Prophet Peter AD claimed to heal patient with HIV and AIDS. Name chan jelinkel van yo komeneke. South Sudanese self-proclaimed prophet allegedly healed patient with HIV and AIDS. In Juba, South Sudanese religious leader and self-proclaimed Prophet Peter Ayuel, popularly known as Prophet Peter AD, has reportedly healed individuals suffering from HIV and AIDS, according to a post on his official Facebook page. Ajan ko post take rame take HIV mi fan jaga jagwa. In the testimony shared online, a woman identified as Jani Thomas Sandama from Western Equatorial State recounted her experience. Shekel mutiki Equatorial chela do jani cheng nene lo ye tok ke cha jwe mo cha jaka we ke cha jabat namo jenta dan tok yan men lat ke Nigeria ne bani nyen kain let ken ka ke ta jega dan en gor no banaw ko jeng Nyingwal. She stated that she, her husband, and their daughter were all diagnosed with HIV after her child was found to have low blood level. And despite receiving antiretroviral treatment, their health reportedly showed no significant improvement. You can Okay, according to the post, the family was later directed to Stone International Church in Juba, Gudele area. Me chaga tem cha jogo konta me chuwela me bila luang we are kajen chojo mo lwa ko chal ke Stone International Church in Juba ka Gudele we are gwada mi we are ke Prophet Peter AD no gwada mo chala where Prophet Peter AD pray for them. Within a week, Jenny claimed she noticed a remarkable change as the symptom. She and her daughter has been experiencing disappearing. She subsequently returned to the hospital where tests allegedly confirmed and confirmed that both she and her daughter were HIV negatives. Prophet Peter Eddy is the co-founder of Stone International Church, which has gained its attention for its claim of miraculous healings. The church continued to attract individuals seeking divine intervention for various health conditions. While such testimony have sparked widespread discussion, medical professionals emphasize that HIV and AIDS is a chronic condition that require ongoing medical treatment. Jajum ladimo kaja jidwel walte ngwara wike South Sudan no ladimo ne akaj. HIV chedro dem luang ko deje wo goro wo baje treat ke brand mamat ko wal chede to ka jokel ka rwade. No, enyok kene edisha kule hilo kesha jaga jagwa. Okay, arjam ke lamo ke ngwan ka komisi jan ba au dulwal ba ko yil ko ne ko ne daga jot ka dulwal. So che ka che ba ka do ran yala je gwa ne content ke ten dulwal. The World Health Organization, or WHO, and other health experts advise patients to adhere to prescribed medication and consult healthcare providers regarding their treatment. Nere content la organization inshallah World Health Organization ke organization and dan take palpai. Jana jogo no gorje o bi wala kono ya kami dol wal bika guri ko kulo gwa enjoy more. Do you know in this self-proclaimed prophet Peter Edi janeto iko na ko panyen jaga jago mishaje gono wakach. Gwa jen news dan en diyan linga me God is full for all this fake prophet. This fake prophet who can endanger your life, okay? Yer kene ye chicken jang go biya wo nyam. Miti ke jwe wo dolwal wo madu wala kona chalat. Ko brahmi mo beju kai kai jwe de gwa, you know, all this conjurian pastor fake prophet big yarre tik dun chwara ka gur. Bye bye.